Hey Graham, just a sec. You see the wire?
Yeah.
As the thing falls, the wire is going to go down to the ground. If your foot's under it, you'll cut your foot off.
Okay.
Buddy, Shadow, over here. Come on.
Keep pulling, Graham.
You got it.
Wow, look
Broke
at
the
the
4x4.
hole.
They broke the 4x4.
I'm the fucking Hulk.
Not anymore.
You guys should use the hammer.
Let me try.
Oh.
Yeah, it's going, boy.
Push it, Amid. Push it. Tackle it. Tackle it.
Right.
Football tackle. Football tackle, Amid.
Yo, hit it, man.
Hit it, man.
No,
Get that hammer.
Use the hammer.
Or just punch with your fists.
Head smash.
Hulk smash it.
Look at all that brute force that it takes. That nature did it all by itself.
What the hell?
How was that that came off?
Yeah.
Entire wall's coming down.
Come on.
And boom goes the dynamite.
I think I almost got it here. If I just...
Maybe that's what it needs.
Oh, here we go. This is it.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Hit it, hit it, hit
This is
it.
it. This is it.
Oh. It's going.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
It's
come on.
moving. Hold on to that tree, boy.
What's
and
twisting?
The thing.
Oh, the thing.
What?
Good.
Just keep taking it.
That's what she said.
Yeah, it's going.
Oh.
Oh.
Pull it in. Pull it in.
Oh.
Come on, keep
Nice
going.
cracking.
My piece is bigger yesterday.
Oh,
Oh.
Nice.
There we go.
My piece was bigger.
Boy, got any words?
I think men are fantastic.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Oh.
Gotta be YouTube.
Let's see the engineer that did all that.
Engineers.
Yeah. Ami, what would you like to say about your first engineering project?
What'd you say, Tees?
I said, what would you like to say about your first engineering project?
This is the first time I've applied my theory in practice. Teaches you don't need simple to do things.